Hey guys, it's Corey from ID Parts. I wanted to quickly show you something I'm really excited about. And this is a brand new turbocharger from Garrett for the Mercedes OM642 series engine. The problem that we are seeing, especially in the Sprinter, the Class C RVs and 3500s, where there's a lot of cargo carrying all the time, we're seeing overheating problems that's resulting in turbocharger failure. The compressor wheel and the housing, basically they're warping over time. They're experiencing metal fatigue, and eventually the compressor itself is going to hit the housing, and that's going to cause an early turbocharger failure. Garrett has noticed this problem, and they've introduced this awesome upgraded turbocharger. They did kind of three things here that are really important to know. The main thing is that they replaced the compressor wheel with a fully billet wheel. It's not cast and then hardened, it's a fully billet wheel, which means it's going to take a lot more heat and be able to withstand a lot more stress than the older design without any failures. The second thing they did is they upgraded the housing. The housing, if you look at it, it's much thicker, both in airspace around the compressor as well as the housing. That's going to be able to handle the heat that builds up, especially in between that V on the Sprinters. Finally, you're going to get a slightly upgraded VNT mechanism, which is making the whole turbocharger more efficient. So if you are needing a turbocharger for your Sprinter, it's 100% worth the money to spend a little bit more and get the newest upgraded unit. It's going to last longer, perform better, be more efficient. Really, there's no reason not to do it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, email me, sales@IDParts. Take care.